All right, we are at the merchandise mart. And then 13. I think Schindler did a really good job on these mods.
Okay, we run okay.
Yeah. It's really weird. All the elevators serve like random floors.
Sounds like an old-fashioned department store.
Because when this building originally, is that an Epco? Yeah, that is. When this building originally opened, it was basically like a gigantic department store, but it was like a gigantic mall in a way. Like it was for like stores and showrooms and stuff like that. So that's why they have all the different elevators.
Yeah, that makes sense. I like how this like screen is behind the cab panel.
Sometimes it'll count the floor numbers that you're going by.
Numbers in configurable.
I remember when I was little, these had Adams buttons. They had like dark cabs and Adams buttons.
I bet you they have like pop out or something before.
Oh yeah. That's it.